Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on core Java. In this tutorial, we'll discuss about this string buffer append. So how the string buffer can append is that we'll discuss. In last video, we discussed about the string length. Now we need to append some data. How we need to append that data, we'll discuss here on this. So how this can append, here we'll see. For that, I am creating one sample project. So sp append, the project name called sp append. So sp append, project name called as sp append. Just I'm closing console. Okay, in sp append, here I am creating one new package, that is com.append. Then here I am creating one class, that is sp append, that I am creating along with this. Okay, now this is created here, basic class. Here first I am creating one string buffer. So string buffer something sp equal to new string buffer of, here I'll write some Java. Okay, now I want to assign something to this Java. So how can I assign? Just first I'll write in a system dot out dot println of, here I'll write this sp dot append. So what should I append here? Append 1.7 something data, 1.8 Java 1.8, like this. Then I'm running this program. What happens, we'll see here now. See here, it came Java 1.8. Just a minute, it's I'm closing other files. So just it's saying this. What is the output of this? It is saying that Java 1.8. But I want this Java 1.8 along with this. I want to add one more this, so that I can add here system.out.println. So that is here sp.append. So what should I append here now? I am appending this program. See here, what is the output of now? See, first one is this and second one is the append.program. Like this, it can be appended data in number of times. So that is here like this. So this is the way we can do it in here. So that is how we are appending this here. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates.